To find the slope of the tangent line to this graph, we'll go ahead and take the derivative. Now, because we don't have y by itself equal to a function of x here, we have to do implicit differentiation. So we'll take the derivative of both sides of this equation, derivative with respect to x of 2xy squared plus xy, and the derivative with respect to x of y. Now, the derivative of 2xy squared, well, this is a product, 2x times y squared. So we use the product rule. So the derivative of the first is 2 times the second, y squared, plus the first, 2x, times the derivative of y squared is 2y times the derivative of y by the chain rule, which is dy dx. Okay, and then plus, now the derivative of x times y. Again, that's a product, so we'll use the product rule. Derivative of the first is 1 times the second, plus the first x times the derivative of y, which is dy over dx, equals the derivative of y, which again is just dy over dx. Okay, we can solve for dy dx directly here. I like to actually plug things in when we care about a specific value. So here we want the slope of the tangent line when y is equal to 1. So we know that y is 1. We've got some x's in here that we've got to figure out, and we can find those by just plugging this y value into the original equation. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 2x times 1 squared plus x times 1 is equal to 1. Okay, just plugging 1 in for the y. Well, that gives us 2x plus x equals 1. Or, well, 2x plus x is 3x, so 3x is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1/3. Now we'll take this x and this y, and we'll plug them into this equation here. So 2 times 1 squared plus 2 times 1/3 plus 2, oh, sorry, not plus, that's wrong, times 2 times y, which is 1, times the dy dx. This is now the dy dx evaluated at a specific point, so I'm actually going to not call it dy dx anymore. I'm going to call it m for the slope at that point, plus y, which is 1, plus x, 1/3, times the derivative at that point is, I'm calling that m, equals dy dx, that's m. All right, now let's simplify a little bit. So this first term here, that's 2, plus 2/3 times 2 is 4/3, so 4/3 m, plus 1 plus 1/3 m equals m. So I've got, let's see, 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4/3 m plus 1/3 m is 5/3 m. And then we can subtract that from both sides. So we get 3 equals, this is 3/3 m, minus 5/3 m is negative 2/3 m. And then divide both sides by negative 2/3, and we get negative 9/2 is equal to m. That's the slope, negative 9/2 at that when y is equal to 1.